Hello and welcome to the video. In today's video, we are going to see if you are trying to connect to EMS server using TIBCO BW and while connecting to the EMS server, if there is an error, how to solve it. So let's start. Here I'm going to quickly create a project in which I'll create a JMS connection and I'll try to connect it. So when I try to connect to the JMS connection, this is the error I'm going to receive. The error says it failed to load the EMS client libraries. This is because we do not have EMS drivers installed in our machine. Let's see how to install the TIBCO EMS driver in order to solve the error. To start with the installation, go to the TIBCO home in your installation directory, which is bw/6.5/bin in this case. From here, you need to use the bw install utility to install the EMS drivers. First, open the command prompt as an administrator and run the cd command to change the directory to tipcohome/bin. You can copy the path from here. Once that is done, you can now write the command bw install space EMS driver and hit enter. It will ask you for the plugins folder which can be located here in your EMS installation directory. Let me show you that. Now, copy the path from here and paste it in the command prompt and hit enter. Now you can see that you have received a message saying build successful, which means the EMS drivers were installed successfully. Now you can go back to your EMS shared connection resource and click on test connection button to make sure that the EMS connection to the EMS server is now working, and you will now be able to connect to the EMS server using TIBCO BW. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.